Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones. Charge them to at least 50% and keep screens awake. Once done, connect them with the direct cable or official adapter. This is the only way we'll move everything reliably. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled so discovery and permissions work. On your old phone, accept the transfer prompt, and on the new phone choose direct cable transfer when offered. You do this to avoid incomplete restores and to preserve app data and device settings. Now you focus on execution. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Enter the PIN or scan the QR code shown on the new device so both phones authenticate. Once paired, choose the full data transfer and explicitly include apps, messages, photos, accounts, and system settings. Make sure you tap any checkboxes for protected data. Keep both devices connected and unlocked. Do not interrupt the cable or close transfer screens. The direct method copies data bit for bit, so patience prevents corruption and saves. You finish by confirming everything. Open several apps, sign in to accounts that require reauthentication, and enable biometrics again. Once done, allow background cloud sync to complete so photos and messages update. Make sure app permissions are granted. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reconnect the cable and reboot both phones, then retry the direct transfer. This clears temporary errors and often resumes where you left off. If problems persist, repeat the transfer with only essential data selected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.